Number 10. Quick load drywall taper. No video on construction is complete without drywall, right? In 2017, its sales in the US alone reached a staggering 2.3 billion square meters. With such demand, there are a lot of tools available for working with drywall, including this stent. It's a seemingly simple, yet essential one, priced at $114. This tool proves invaluable when it comes to handling joints. It allows you to pass the tape through the mortar section, cut it off, and then finish it off with a taping knife. Made primarily of aluminum, it features 2 handles and an adjustable mortar feed for simplified work. It weighs around 15 kilograms and measures 63 by 22 centimeters. Now a question arises. Do you believe it's worth the investment? Number 9. Rigid Megamax. Here is a versatile brushless base, designed to accommodate a wide range of tools. From reciprocating saws to rotary hammers, it's an ideal solution for restorers or electricians, as it allows for a more compact tool bag without compromising on versatility. The manufacturer spared no expense and equipped this base with the largest available engine, similar to those found in lawnmowers. Despite its power, the weight remains below 2 kilograms, and the tools can be securely fastened in 4 directions: up, down, left, or right. To ensure a secure attachment, an audible beep and an indicator light will guide you. Purchase options include the base, sold separately for $140, and the base plus a tool set, such as the drilling version, for $400. Number 8. Malco Adjustable Siding Gauge SGA. Home construction in the US saw a 10% increase in 2020, resulting in an acclume. To facilitate efficient and high-quality work, specialized tools come into play. Take this tool, for instance, designed specifically for siding installation. Compatibility with a wide range of options, including fiber cement siding and LP Smart Side, an engineered wood-based solution. Thanks to its overlapping mounting and a clamping thickness range of 8 to 13 millimeters. This tool simplifies the process. The set even allows you to work with siding up to 5 meters alone, and its user-friendly setup will make long workdays a bit more enjoyable. All of this comes at a price of $75. Number 7. Shock Stop Hammer. Innovation and hammers don't usually go hand in hand, and The Simpsons even poked fun at this situation once when Homer invented an electric hammer. Now you can find this model in stores for $45, featuring enticing shock stop technology that minimizes recoil and enhances vibration absorption. The rubberized handle adds extra protection against vibrations, and a handy magnetic nail starter keeps your fingers safe by securely holding the nail in place. You can choose between versions with 567 and 680 gram heads and a 41 centimeter long handle. Plus, there's the added bonus of a limited lifetime warranty. Number 6. Dust-free sander. The standout feature of this drywall sander lies in its exceptional dust control system. By simply connecting the tool to any dry or wet vacuum cleaner, using one of 2 included adapters, it effectively captures up to 99% of dust particles. The kit also provides a 2-meter hose and abrasive wheels in varying grits, 120, 180, and 240. With a working diameter of 23 centimeters, you can effortlessly sand walls and ceilings, thanks to the extension pole. For added convenience during transport and storage, a bag is included. All these remarkable features come at a price of around $100. Number 5. Spansci Flash. The creators of this equipment confidently say, "We can do it," and then they demonstrate exactly what they mean by starting the restoration of a car. The equipment they use is called Flash, and it's designed to fix dents and other imperfections on car bodies. It's attached to the floor using a vacuum, and it allows for precise adjustments to the pulling force, even in a downward direction. Flash has a compact and modular design. When assembled, it reaches a height of 1.3 meters and can exert a pulling force of up to 250 kilograms. The equipment uses a belt with a ratchet mechanism, which reduces the effort required by the user. It weighs 27 kilograms, and thanks to its built-in wheels, it's easy to move around. That's why well-known companies like Porsche and Ford choose to purchase it. As for the price, it comes at $840. Number 4. Camo Clip Drive. Last year, Camo delighted decking professionals with a game-changing tool. Say goodbye to the hassle of fasteners. This tool will accelerate your work by a whopping 5 times while also reducing the strain on your back. The team collaborated closely with contractors, incorporating their valuable input. The model features an adjustable handle, catering to both left and right-handed users, and a weighted nose that ensures precise alignment without leaving marks. It's recommended to attach the tool to a drill. A T15 screwdriver is already included. With the slogan, "Build smarter, build faster," this remarkable tool is available at a price of $120. Number 3. To 522 cordless rotary hammer. Liechtenstein has more to offer than just tourism and offshore services. It's also a hub for construction tools. The local company Hilti saw a remarkable net profit of $531 million in 2020, and one of their standout products is their cordless rotary hammer priced at $614. It's evident how such profits were achieved. This versatile tool is designed for drilling into concrete, masonry, and even metal and wood, including screwing tasks. It boasts an optimal impact drilling range of 6.4 to 18 millimeters, a speed of 1,180 RPM and 87 impacts per minute. Thanks to the integrated active torque control, safety has been prioritized. This rotary hammer weighs about 3 kilograms and allows you to connect a dust extraction system, enabling work on finished objects as well. Number 2. Tolson hand retriever. Let's turn our attention to China, where the construction industry contributes to approximately 29% of all economic activity. With numerous major projects underway, the market is flooded with tool manufacturers. One of them offers a handheld riveter, specifically designed for aluminum and steel rivets. It supports diameters ranging from 2.4 to 6.4 millimeters, and includes 5 interchangeable bits, along with a built-in reservoir, enabling solo work with ease. The tool's body is crafted from powder-coated aluminum alloy, ensuring durability, and it's 33 centimeters long. The seller boasts strict controls throughout the design and production process, and it comes with a solid price tag of $126. Number 1. HP Brushless Mud Mix Kit. Here's something interesting from Japan. The OnePlus system is simple yet powerful. It's a single cordless platform that supports over 200 tools. Today we want to show you their mud mixer with advanced electronics, a brushless motor, and the OnePlus HP technology. It boasts 6 speeds and reaches up to 800 RPM. On a single charge, you can expect around 300 buckets of mix, whether it's cement, paint, or clay mortar, as it handles them all effortlessly. The mixer is designed for comfortable use, featuring 2 handles. If you already have a OnePlus charger and a battery in your tool bag, you can purchase the mixer separately. The price starts at $200. Interestingly, the construction market in Japan is projected to grow by 5% until 2028. So there's no doubt that buyers will be drawn to this exceptional product on the home market. And there have it. If you found this information helpful and want to stay updated on more tools and equipment like these, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for future content.